Welcome to our channel, Inspire Inside. An elephant lived in a forest and was very proud of his strength. He would destroy nests of birds or uproot the entire tree. Sometimes he used to pick monkeys and trash them, and sometimes he would trample rabbits under his feet. All animals were upset with him but could not do anything in front of his power. One day, Elephant was returning after drinking water from the river. At the same time, there was an ant hill under a tree on bank of river. Nearby ants were busy in their work, working hard to collect food. Elephant saw this and filled water in his trunk and then poured all that on ant hill. Ant hill was destroyed. Ants were not able to say anything to Elephant due to fear even after their house was destroyed. But among them, an ant got very angry and said to Elephant, "What have you done? Destroyed our house. Where shall we go now?" Listening to ant, Elephant said, "Leave, otherwise I will crush you under my feet." Ant said again without fear, "You should not trouble others like this. When someone bothers you, then you will understand." Elephant said, "Who will bother me? What harm can you do to me? I am most powerful animal in this jungle. No one dares to say anything to me. You have made this mistake for the first time. That's why I will let you go. But if you ever dare to say anything to me again, you will be killed." Elephant spoke threateningly. Ant became silent at that time. Same evening, when Elephant was sleeping very comfortably under a tree, Ant entered his trunk and started biting. Elephant, who was sleeping comfortably, who woke up in pain and began to shake his trunk here and there while trembling. Seeing this, Ant started biting him even more. Pain became unbearable for Elephant and he started crying loudly and started calling for help. Animals hate his pain, but who would come to his help? He had troubled everyone in the forest. Ant kept biting him and kept crying out in pain. At last, exhausted, he fell on ground and started crying. "Why are you troubling? What wrong I have done to you?" Hearing this, Ant said, "I am same ant whose house you destroyed. Now do you understand how others feel when you bother them?" Crying Elephant, "I have learned my lesson. I apologize to you and promise that I will never trouble anyone again. I will live together everyone with love." Ant felt pity on Elephant and forgave him. Ant came out of Elephant's trunk. From that day onwards, Elephant's behavior changed. He apologized to all the animals of the forest for his actions and promised that he would never trouble them again. So this story teaches us pride of an arrogant person definitely breaks at some point. One should always help others, then they will help you in times of your trouble. One should never disturb others and live in harmony with everyone.